New toy showed up today. 93 Squarebody, crew cab, dually, diesel. Hey everyone, my name is Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. Behind me, you'll see something. I don't even know what the heck it is. It's a 93 Chevy 3500 dually, crew cab, diesel. I'm gonna give you a walk around. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with this thing. I bought it on a whim. The problem is I buy everything on impulse. I should be buying what people buy so I can sell what people buy, but instead I buy what I like. But that's the reason I have this job. I like to buy what I like. Makes my job more fun. I don't want to always be selling Ford Focuses and Dodge Darts, although I have a Ford Focus and a Dodge Dart that's for sale right now. So I'm gonna give you a walk around of this truck. It's a Squarebody. I know there's 7 million people have viewed my videos. I know one of you guys like Squarebodies out there that knows diesel stuff. I'm not a diesel guy, so I don't know a ton about these things. Tell me what this thing's worth. If anybody wants it, make me some offers in the comments section. I don't even know what this thing is worth. So I'm gonna give you a walk around the whole thing. Tell me what you guys think about it. Tell me what I need to know about it. And, you know, that's it. Let's get going. So I was fishing around on a dealer-only app on my phone, and I started bidding on this thing in Virginia. So it was down in Virginia, which means there was zero rust. That was the thing that really appealed to me. And the other thing, I have 3 kids, so the 4 doors, the crew cab really appealed to me as well, and it's a rare truck. You don't ever see these things. So the front end has obviously been redone. Looks pretty freaking nice, I think. The other thing is recent tires all around. So it's a diesel 2-wheel drive, but from Virginia, no rust, and it's just an absolute animal. The body's in great shape. Actually, I'll give you a walk down the entire body line so you can see it's in great shape until we get to the bed. Now the bed is a replacement off of what I think looks to be like an 04, 05. Hang on, let me get that. There we go. Pardon the interruption. I was just about to get into the video and my wife called me. She's across the street at the grocery store. She hit somebody in the parking lot in our minivan with the kids yelling at her, so now I gotta go check that out. Her damage and my wife's car. Awesome.
Stop. Blame it on him.
Do you guys want to explain what happened? All right, I'm back. My wife hit a car in a parking lot because she wasn't paying attention. So here's my truck. This bed is off like an 06-ish Denali looking 3500 from what I gather. Those look like Denali taillights. And this is a square body, round bed. You can see a little bit of crack right here because these things are so freaking giant. Crack right there, missing a piece right there. So here's the thing. I have absolutely zero use for this. I bought it because it would be a good tow rig. I bought it because I put my kids in it. I bought it because it's cool looking. I have zero use though. I'm not going to use this thing. I know one of you guys have a use for it, so if somebody wants it, make me an offer. Tell me what this thing's worth. This is the part I like. Look at the image from right here, how cool looking this truck looks. These square bodies are coming back. I know that. I know there's a demand for them. Somebody's got to want this thing. I'll give you the racks. I'll give you the tool bed. Oh, I wonder if there's any tools in here. How do you open this thing? Ah, I came with tools. I'm keeping the tools. The guy was obviously an electrician. Tires were done like, those look like brand new. Here's the cool part. It came from Virginia, so there is literally no rust on it. That's the reason I purchased it. I'll even fix that taillight for you. I'll give you the racks. This is a flat black. It looks spray painted. The bed, the body, yeah, the bed is gold. So obviously that's been repainted. There is also a spot right there that's broken. Here, I'll open it up for you too. Tons of space in here. Headliner is fabric, but not the right fabric. Front tires appear to be in good shape as well, but look at the frame. It's so clean under here. Inside, stained, dashboard, couple cracks, crack in the glass, 194,000 miles. Let's start it up. Glow plugs, glow plugs, glow plugs, glow plugs. There we go. Yeah, good friends. 6.5 liter diesel. Here's one of the other things that I liked about it too. When I was in high school, this was a cool body style. I had a friend that had this truck, not this truck, but he had a 1500, and it was awesome. I always wanted one, so I think that was part of the reason I probably bought this and shouldn't have. Cassette player. I'll give you a cassette too. What does this do? Ashtray, no ash. Here's something kind of funny as well. Remember these ashtrays in every door? So the truck's kind of neat, but I just don't have a purpose for it. So if anybody's interested in this thing, holla at me. Let me know. What is this thing worth to you guys? It's pretty solid. It runs all right. Shifts smoothly. It's got a ton of power. Turbo diesel. So not super informative video today. More just a salesy video, I guess. But if any of you bro-dozers want to roll coal, this will be the truck that'll do it. Hit me up. Let me know if you're interested. I'll see you later. Adios. You can send a message in the comment section or message me on my website, www.flying-wheels.com. I'll see y'all later.